work the coffee machine. First, you have to fill up the jug with water. Hot or cold?
Okay.
And then next, second, pour water into the top right hole. So here, there. Third, pour the jug in. Third, pour the jug in. Can't read it.
Put the jug in the slot. Okay.
Fourth, put 4 tablespoons in the top middle.
4 tablespoons of coffee.
One. Four.
But you didn't fill that, so just put those weren't full. Just put a couple more in, just because I want to slightly fill a tablespoon. That should be enough. That's a huge one.
Next.
That's about right.
Put the lid down. And press the go button.
And that's it.